I'm Maria Sabrito, a student attorney with UW-Madison's Law and Entrepreneurship Clinic. I'd like to welcome you to the Small Business Development Center's Entrepreneurial How-To video series. Today, I'm going to give you a brief overview about why you should consider creating a legal entity for your business. A legal entity is a business structure, like an LLC or a corporation, formed by filing paperwork with the state of Wisconsin. A question we hear a lot is, why should I form a legal entity? That's a great question. There are three main reasons. First, legal entities provide liability protection to business owners. This means you can separate your personal assets from your business-related risks. Second, legal entities help to define how you will manage your business. For example, if you are going into business with someone, whether it's a friend or an outside investor, it's important to agree on things like how business decisions will be made and how you will share the profits. Finally, a business entity can help you present a professional image to your customers. Many people will ask, if I don't form a legal entity, does that mean I don't have to deal with the hassle of business laws and taxes? No. Unincorporated businesses are subject to many of the same legal requirements as incorporated entities, but they operate at greater risk without the liability protection described earlier. For example, if you have an online retail store that sells leather goods, your obligation to collect state sales tax is the same whether you have a legal entity or not. If you decide to move forward with creating a legal entity in Wisconsin, you do so by filing paperwork with the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institutions. You do not need a lawyer to make many of these filings. However, you should consider consulting with a lawyer, especially if there is more than one owner of the business. Once you create a legal entity, it's important that you follow a few best practices to get the benefits I discussed earlier. Open a separate bank account for your business. Use the entity's legal name when conducting business. Keep personal and business assets separate. And timely file all tax returns and state reports. Now that you've gotten a good introduction on the benefits of creating a legal entity, check out the rest of the SBDC Entrepreneurial How-To video series to help build your business.